Good day, Divergence traders. Just a little bit late today. Had to go out and drive all over town. Okay, so what are we looking at here? We're looking at the 2-minute NASDAQ. Now, what did we have before the open? This is the open right here. It was an easy sell to the downside. The moving averages, if you use them, told you to sell it, not buy it. Anyway, look what do we have up here? We basically have a double top and a sell to the downside right there. And that was at 8:45, and it went all the way down and did a little flip up and then a flip down. So, what was this? I know you guys know. They repeat over and over again. I've been telling you that. I've been telling you. Actually, there's one right here too. But who's going to take this one just before the open, right? Right. Here's no, that's not one. No, not that one. This one here. The buy fake, then the smackdown, you sell it, down it goes. But that was just like 5 minutes before the open. You weren't going to do that. You weren't going to do that trade right here, were you? Nah. Some traders, they just see, okay, we rejected the top side, and then they see it slam down a little bit, and they go, okay, I'm going to try selling. And they sell, and down it goes, and they make money. That's what I would have done today if I was here, but I wasn't here. I was out driving around. I don't plan to trade tomorrow either. It could be wacky, it could be weird, it could be normal. Who knows? But because they're not going to count the votes until, who knows, late at night or in a week from now? Who fucking knows? You know what I mean? Anyway, here, let me put this on here. Here's the divergence for that. Double top, sell, down it goes. And here is another, what do I call that trade? I call it a hook down. Just like that one. But this one did really well. It went right here from 20,100 right down to 20,010 or 15 or whatever down here. And then they bought it right back up here. Was there divergence here? Low, retracement, lower, low? No, because on the right side of the OSMA, it needs to be less than the left side. And it's not, it's more. So there's no divergence to buy it back up here. However, there was the cross up, which is the 5 cross up above the 7. And if you would have done that, okay, if you would have done that move, it went up for you a total of 500 points, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, and let's keep going with this. We got another trade to show you. Okay, the first one was here, but there was no effective cross down. Okay. There was just hugging and kissing. The 5 and the 7, they like to hug and kiss sometimes. Okay? So then we would extend it to this high. Okay? As you can see. And right from this one, this is a little bit of a long divergence. I know I only usually draw it from blue to blue or from red to red. But in this one, we go a little bit extra. And it was a major sell-off right from here all the way down, which was basically, we'll say from here, max potential, we'll say to here. 543 ticks or points, whatever you want to count them as. But you see, ever since from right here, no selling, no selling, no selling, no selling, no selling. See? Because the 5 was above the 7. We can't sell when the 5 is above the 7. We can only buy the dippers and let her rippers. So anyway, right here, okay, is a higher close, sell it, down it goes. And then we had another one right here. Higher close, sell it, and down it goes. And that's it. Those were the 2 trades. This was the divergence with the trade, divergence trade, and 2 higher close sell setups on the way down. In other words, it's like a repeat of yesterday and the day before yesterday and the 3 days before Friday. Same thing. Just a different chart, different prices. But it's the same setups I keep showing you over and over and over again, which is a good thing. I'm not giving you shit. It's a good thing. It's a fucking beautiful thing. Yeah, man, it's just beautiful. Look, I showed you a double top probably just last week, and sell it and down it goes. Every time I show you these setups, they always work most of the time. There is no losing trades on this chart today. They're all my setups, and my setups all worked. All of them. That's something to be really, really happy about, guys, okay? And gals, trust me, really, really good news that we had these setups again today. What do we have down here? Even though we're not supposed to mark that, but I will. We have a low and a lower low right there in front of your eyes. And we have right here, draw it from here to here, okay? And then you would have got long right in here somewhere, and it would have been a winner. See, it would have been a winner. Another winner, chicken dinner. I can't believe it. Another winner with lower lows and a winner up here with higher highs. It can't be. Not again. A repeat again. Yeah, again. But be happy about it. Enjoy it. Love it. Go celebrate because of it. Because that's what makes you points in this market. You know, I've come to the conclusion, I believe there's some, you know, some al's and some go's in these markets. I really do. It just has to be. It just makes common fucking sense. You know what I mean? Think about it. Think about each day I show you these setups, and I show you these same kind of setups that happen over and over again in different places on a different chart at a different price. But it's still showing you basically the same thing. So what must that mean? Think about that deeply, and you'll see what I mean. I know, I'm going fucking crazy. I've been staring at these fucking charts since May of 2001. A long time. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're now going to move on over to the MetaTrader. Where is it? It's right here. Here it is. Okay, there it is. Let me get a little swig of water. Isn't it amazing, though, how the little itsy bitsy 5, when it's above the 7, you only buy, and it goes up. And then the 5, when it's below the 7, over here, you only look to sell. And it works. It's so fucking simple, it's stupid. It's fucking stupid. Because it works. And everybody keeps saying, oh, trading's so hard. It's hard because I believe when you do the opposite of what you're supposed to do and you lose, I don't blame you for it. Because I remember too, I used to do the same shit myself, okay? And I always used to say, there's a fucking devil on my shoulder saying, sell, 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 Jason, sell! Sell now! And I'd fucking sell, and I would lose. And most of the trades that I ever lost was sell trades. Not buy trades, sell trades. But you know what? You cannot think in your mind, oh, I'm only going to buy because the market only goes up. Or I'm going to sell and I'm going to keep selling because the market, most of the time goes down. You can't. In these markets, because they change direction so often, you can't have a fucking bias. You just can't. Maybe if you go on a daily chart and you find something that kept going up or whatever, yeah, maybe that might work for you. But to day trade these markets here, the S&P, the NASDAQ, and the Dow, you can't have bias. It's not going to work for you. You'll see on your own. I'm just trying to tell you. Okay, anyway, we're looking at the NASDAQ. Oh, excuse me. NASDAQ, 5 minute. Oh, double top right there. Higher highs right there. There. If it doesn't work out, we tweak it a little bit. And then it'll work. What about this one? Oh, yeah, this one was definite divergence. See right here? Boom, 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 boom. Just like that. Sell right here. Boom, right there. Sell. Sell, Jason. Sell. Sell now. Hurry, hurry, sell, sell. Ah, buddy, we got no buys down here today. Not my setups, that is. Maybe someone else's setup, but not mine. So this one was good. It went down 132 ticks. And this one, it went down 145 ticks. So those were the two trades. There was no buy setups for divergence today or whatever. Here's one of these. Let me put one on here for you, just for the fun of it. Right there, higher close, right near the 5. Sell it. Down it goes, all the way down here. Beautiful thing. Okay, let's look at the S&P now quickly. Oh, it kind of looks the same, but not quite. See, the other one went 1, 2, 3, and more of a perfect double top. See, it's a little bit different. But we can always tweak it, huh? Tweak it a little bit right there, double top. Here, we can draw it from here to here, and it'll work. See, just do a little thinking, little ingenuity, and you got her made. Just like that. It's pointing down on the OSMA, meaning the price is going to go down. Right here, same thing. Okay, going down. See, it's pointing down, meaning the price is going to go down, which it did. How many times have I showed you that over and over again from a double top or from a higher high? I've showed that to you guys too, over and over and over again. Please pay attention. You can't flunk this class. You gotta pass, okay? You gotta pass with colors. Yes. Okay. 2 double tops, twin double tops, both sell trades, both freaking winners, man. All the way down. Okay, what do we got here on the Dow Jones? Oh, a little bit of wickage in here. See the wicks? They love to wick on here, boy. Okay. Yeah, there was a trade here. There definitely was. Right there. And we got to sell. I do realize sometimes I will sound egotistical kind of thing, like I got a big ego or something. Please don't take it in that way. I'm just fucking baffled myself. Every fucking day I see these same setups over and over and over again. And I just get a little excited, and it sounds like I'm bragging or I'm conceited or something, and I'm not. And please don't take me that way, okay? I'm not like that. I'm not that kind of person. But I'm just blown away. Every fucking day it's another winner chicken dinner. It's amazing. It's fucking amazing. There's another one over here too, look. From here to here. See these little blue doodads right here? So we take it from there and we draw it down like this. And there's our divergence. Okay, it's hidden divergence. And if you would have sold right in there, down it went. See, right here. Yeah, right before the open. The open brought it down and you would have made money. Okay, cool. Let's look at the pound dollar. Oh yeah, we had some double bottoms and double tops on here. I already looked at it. Right here, double top. And right here, double bottom. Gotta love it. There's the divergence there. And here is the divergence on here, right there. Okay. So we would have been a buyer right in there, and up it went. And we would have been a seller right in there, and it was a winner. Went all the way down. Went down far for today for the pound, 45, 50 pips. Yeah, pound dollar. Some people call it the GU. I call it the pound dollar because that's what we used to call it 15 years ago. Okay, the euro, I don't know, it might have a big move today. Oh, very, very, very bad in here. Oh, I'm sure if you tried to do a trade in here, you would have got screwed. Sure, I can draw this after the fact, but nah. I'm sure if I would have tried to do this trade, I would have got screwed too. Okay, but there's double top there. Yeah. What you really wanted to be doing in this particular situation with all this shit, you want to like draw this right through here like this and go, okay. Once it clears through this shit and closes below it, which was this candle right here, this red candle, we'd be looking to sell it. Okay, so if you would have sold it right there, went down 16 pips for you. This is the euro, eh? Very slow. Okay, pound yen. Oh, here's the pound yen. Oh, we have hidden. Well, first we have this one, double bottom. And then we have this one. No, that's not supposed to do that. No, we need to bring it over here. Okay, right there. Right here. Right up into here. That was hidden divergence, and you would have got in here once the 5 crossed up above the 7, which is right here. Boom. You would have been a buyer right there, and up it went 60 pips on the pound yen. And this one here, what's this, a check mark? Oh yeah, I was following something today. Yeah, I went right to their stop. But anyway, shit happens. Then you do it another day. What am I looking for here? There's another setup here. It's this one right here, the double bottom, which we draw this right here to here. So you would have been a buyer in here, a buyer in here, and then we went up, put in a high retracement, higher high, then higher high, and right up there like that. And guess what? This side is higher than this side. There's no divergence. There's no divergence up there. However, lower close, buy it up it goes. Here's another one, lower close, up, buy it up it goes. And right here we had a hookup right there. So when it rallied back up and closed up above both moving averages, you would have bought it right here on the opening of this candle right here, and up it went up here. Yeah. There was no divergence here, high and higher high, because this high is bigger than this side, and it needs to be a lower mountain peak for it to qualify. Same with this. See how it's higher on the right side? It needs to be less than the left side. The left side needs to be Mount Everest, and this side needs to be the foothill. The foothill before the mountain peaks, but it's not. That's why it's not divergent, okay? However, if you wanted to, if you trust them like I do, you could have traded the cross, the 5 crossing down below the 7. You would have got short right here, and it went down 63 pips on the pound yen. Would have been a beautiful, beautiful trade. And let me show you this last one, okay? So, where do I draw it from? Something like this. Had to tweak it maybe a little bit, but it's divergent, see? Gotta stretch that one. Oh, maybe to this one. Just like that, yeah. Would have been a buyer right there. And so far it's went up 23 pips. That's on the pound yen. Euro yen. Oh, there's a double bottom. There's a double top. Look at that. Double bottom. Double top. We're a seller in here. Boom. And you were a buyer in here. Boom. I think there's divergence over here too. Lower lows. Draw it up like this. You would have been a buyer in here, and up it goes. Yeah, would have been good. Here's another double top right here. There's a ton of them on here today. Wow. Double top. Yeah, just like that. You would have been a seller right in there. That's it. Another winner. And there's a winner over here too at 7 o'clock right here. Lower lows, ding, buy it, and up it goes. All right, lots of good setups on the Euro yen today and pound yen. Let's now take a look at oil. What did oil do today? Ooh. Okay. We have a double top right there. Or it's closer to level divergence than divergence, but level divergence doesn't exist. It's something that I created in my mind because I used to be a bricklayer when I was a young pup, and we used to build corners. We'd always do level, plumb, and tail. That's how you create a corner for bricklaying. So that's why I see the level divergence, and I call it level divergence right here. See? It's level, basically. Actually, it isn't, but anyway, it was a good story. Hey, I used to be a bricklayer. Just like that, and down she go. There's more divergence down here, I think. It's the trip 3 amigos for sure. We take it from here and we draw it into here like that. Yeah, we tweak it a little bit. It was divergent, huh? It was. Lots of setups today, huh? Holy jeez Louise. And it went up 61 points. Oh. Okay, that's oil. Yeah, that's oil. And then let's look at gold. What did it do? Ooh, a little shaky today. Wow. Maybe the 15-minute? It doesn't look very good either. Gold's a write-off today. Gold's a mess. It's a freaking mess. Forget it. Okay, and then we'll quickly look at Bitcoin. Oh, they're selling it off now. Maybe something to do with tomorrow. I bet you they're selling XRP off too. Oh no, it's up a little bit. Hooray, hooray. Silver is down, I bet. Yeah, a little bit. Ethereum? Oh yeah, Ethereum's down. And what about that yen? Oh, the yen's down a little too. Gapped open lower from last week. Uh-huh. Okay, so anyway, I want to thank you for watching and listening, and I hope you got a lot of value for your money. I keep teaching you some good stuff. The best thing, though, is that it's repetitive. We're seeing the same setups over and over again. That means we have the opportunity to cash in. Yes, we do. All right. So thanks for watching and listening. And if you like it, hit the like button. If you really like it, subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.